Hey, it's John here at the Ginty Emerald Hollow Mine, and fortunately it's a beautiful day here today. Being able to get some digging, get some stuff moved, and I've already begun that. You can tell we're still holding a little bit of water here, getting the tree filled in there. So I pulled out the this cap rock to get out of the way. That one I'm struggling with. That one's going to be tough to get up the hill. But we'll stay at it, see what happens. Now, you get down in here. You can see I got this all cleared out. And that was quite the task, let me tell you. But you can see the schist here, and it butts up against the quartz here. Alright. The schist next to the quartz is usually kind of soft and pliable. But I got stuff loose. Now that is the piece of the schist where it butts up against the quartz. And it looks like underneath it, it starts to sneak. You can see how they lay into each other. Let's see if we can't get this one out. You can see it was previously broke, how the clay has gone in between these pieces. That's a chunk of quartz. This is all pretty much just clay. I'm not feeling anything in that. And then this piece here. Alright. Now, before it was all, as you can see in this, it was all pretty much white quartz. So you get a little bit deeper, it's starting to clear up a little bit. So this is another piece of quartz underneath it. You can see where it lays up against the wall. So there's another piece. Again, the clay has found its way in between. And that's all the clay that's filled in between. But the quartz continues. So like I'd been showing, you pull one piece out, there's another piece behind it, and as we go downward, it should start getting better and better, and it looks like it's beginning to. So I will stay at it, and I'm moving this way. We'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. So good news is I got it cleared out. Bad news is I got these monsters in the way. I'm going to have to get out of here. I will. Alright, that's it for now.